Hey guys, I'm back again. Okay, and today I'm going to be showing you the throwing tricks, because yesterday I said I was going to do another video, but outside, I didn't get to. So today, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take off this one right here, because I can't really, I guess I can. This isn't the one I'm going to be using for throwing tricks though, but I'm going to use this one. So I upgraded them. This was actually, y'all know what cap guns are. They're like the ones that open up here and you put 12 shots in. Well, this was originally the dot quality pistol. I just put the ivory grip on it. PS tape. This was originally the Big Tex. That part right there fell off because I was spinning and it fell off my fingers because somebody pushed me. But I don't know, I'm going to drop them because I'm so good. Now, eventually, when I get good enough, I'll be doing 2 at a time and stuff like that. Okay, but throwing trick number 1. Simplest ever, right? I'm so sorry, I have a little bit of gas. I'm going to scoot you back a little bit. Well, that was not cool. Alright, so bring y'all back over here. Wait, can I just sit y'all okay with this? I'm gonna sit you down here. Okay, so ready? If I hit my head, so if this lands on my head, yeah. Oh no! I'm sorry. Hang on. Got it. Throwing tricks are a little bit hard, okay? Hey, don't kill me. I'm scary. I wish I had my full helmet right now. Don't tell anybody though. I had it on the edge of my finger and it went like that. Sorry. Like that. Right in this hand. Yay, we did it! Oh! I dropped it. Y'all can't see the gun. Oh man. It's not as easy as it ever really looks. You want to see that trick done really good? Go watch Howard Derby. But yeah, I'm going to do that on the leg, on the other leg. And over shoulder. Almost fell on you guys. There we go. That's basically it. Call that one the rainbow. Rainbow. That's the name of it. I just made it. The rainbow. Duke. It's now a better, cooler version of this. But yeah, that's just what I wanted to try and show you. I'll make sure to show y'all that again as soon as I get better at it, okay? How about I do a couple other things, huh? Sound good to y'all? Okay, what should we do? We should definitely do something. Hang on just 1 minute. Be back in just a sec. let me move y'all one more time. There we go. Now, neither one of us are in the sun. There we go, we did it. Did it again. Rainbow. Oh, rainbow. Alright. So let me tell you, so I was going to wear them in this video, but I just changed my mind. Usually I have on a shoulder holster over here. I made it with a couple of belts, so it's not really good looking. And I usually use some string. But, that's what I usually wear. The reason I do that is because, y'all have seen Tombstone, right? Y'all haven't, go watch it. But, usually that's what I watch. And I like Doc Holliday. I was named after Wyatt Earp. My name's Wyatt, of course. I mean, pineapple. Now I need to change my name. But, that's why I changed the color of my handles to white, is because I have a big love for Doc Holliday. That's why I started spinning, is because I like Johnny Ringo and Doc Holliday. And this one just looks like, this is the Doc Holliday pistol, and it looks like his left-hand revolver. Go look them up. But this is the Single Action Army, what I pretend it is, and this is a 45 Colt Thunderer. Usually in the movie used in his left hand. But yeah, that's really all I wanted to show you today. But, never mind. Wait. Cut. I'm sorry, I was having a little bit of weird moment there. I'm about to cut again. But yeah, I will probably see y'all guys tomorrow. Oh wait, my dad's here. Huh, okay. And bye.